Assalamu alaikum, my name is Usman Chaudhary and you are watching Technology Explore. In this video I am going to tell you how you can make these type of countersink holes in your parts. So keep watching this video till end. So let's start. First of all, click on front plane and then sketch on it. Then use center point rectangle and start drawing it from origin. Now define the width of the rectangle 50 millimeter and length of the rectangle is 100 millimeter. Then go to features tab and from here select extruded boss base command, extrude it up to 20 millimeter and drop down this option and from here select mid plane and then press OK button. Now sketch on this face and press Ctrl+8 key for normal to view orientation. Now draw two circles, one on this corner and one on this corner. Define the diameter of the circle to 0 millimeter. Now select both these circles and make their relation equal. Now define the distance from this line up to the circle which is 12.5 millimeter. Similarly define this distance 12.5 millimeter. Also define the distances, both distances of this circle 12.5 millimeter. So now our sketch is fully defined. Go to features tab and at this time use extruded cut command. Cut it up to 5 millimeter and press OK button. Now click on hole wizard command in the features tab and first of all these are the types of holes. So we are going to make countersink holes. Select countersink option. Then these are the standards. Select your own desired or standard and then these are the sizes. So basically this option is asking you to tell the system for which size of screws you are going to make hole. So I'm going to make hole for M4 screw. Then these are the fit options and if you want to edit the default sizes, check this option, show custom sizing. So from here you can define your own sizes. Then this is the end condition of the hole, as we are going to make the hole throughout this part. So select through all. If you want to define some limit, select blind and then define the limit or distance. So now for now through all. Here is the head clearance. So this is the depth of the head clearance. So let's say 3 mm. So once you have defined all these parameters, then go to positions tab and it will ask you to select the face on which you are going to make hole. So for that I'm going to select this face, then press Ctrl+8 key from your keyboard and then drop 1 point here and 1 point here. All done, press OK button. So now we can make its drawing. So for that, first of all we have to save this part. After saving, start from a new once again and then select drawing. Select A4 landscape and then select custom sheet size and press OK button for blank sheet. And then on the left side select this part and import it. Scroll down and from here check preview option, place it. Press OK button. Go to sketch tab and select line. Draw it from here like this. Press escape key. Drop 2 points, 1 point here and 1 point here. Press escape key. Press and hold Control key from your keyboard. Select this point and this circle. Make their coincident relation or concentric relation. Again select this point and this circle. Make their concentric relation. Now again press and hold Control key. Then select this line and this line. Go to drawing option and from here select section view and then select this option and you can flip the direction from here. Place it like this. press OK button. Now go to Annotations tab and select Center Line. Check this option, select View for Auto Insert, and then select this view and press OK button. So now regarding scale of this drawing, select this drawing and then scroll down. From here, drop down this option, and from here select 2:1 and press OK button. This is how we can make these type of countersink holes in our parts, and this was the way to create the zigzag cross section of the drawings. So I hope you have enjoyed and learned from this video, and thanks for watching and sparing time. And don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel for more videos like this.